Okay, we just got this new Stihl Zero Turn 261, brand new, right out of the crate. Just taking it a look. See, it's really nicely done. Got all your controls here. Nice features, has a parking brake, hour meter, PTO switch, choke, on off. Back here you've got your nice Briggs & Stratton 2500 with advanced debris filtering. Back here's a really nice feature. You've got your transmission engage, disengage. These shocks can be adjustable. You can see right here, preload them for how much bounce or non-bounce you want to get, depending on the weight. See, everything's